In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a page on Squarespace in just 5 minutes. This guide is straightforward and perfect if you're new to Squarespace or if you're looking to make your site live for the first time. First things first, let's begin by visiting Squarespace. Type squarespace.com into your browser and hit enter. Once the page loads, you'll find the option to log in at the top right corner of the home page. Click on that login button to proceed. Next, Squarespace offers a convenient way to log in using your Google account. Choose Continue with Google for a seamless login experience. This is particularly handy if you're already signed into your Google account, as it saves time and simplifies the process. After clicking on Continue with Google, a list of Google accounts will appear. Go ahead and select the Google account you wish to use for Squarespace. This should be the account associated with your website if you've set one up previously. Once logged in, it's time to navigate to your website. You can do this easily by going to your Squarespace dashboard, look for any site thumbnails, or directly use the navigation options to access your website. Now for the main part of making your site visible to the world. On your site's home dashboard, find and click on Settings. The Settings is your gateway to a lot of site-wide options, including the one we're interested in today. Site Availability, under Settings, scroll until you find Site Availability. Here, Squarespace offers various options to control who can see your website. However, to make your page publicly available, there's an essential step you need to take: upgrading your account. Click on Upgrade to Publish. Squarespace will present you with different plans. These plans offer various features and tools depending on your needs, ranging from personal use to full-scale business operations. Take a moment to review what each plan offers and how it aligns with your goals. After deciding on a plan, proceed by clicking Confirm Selection. This action will take you closer to making your site visible to everyone. But before we get there, Squarespace will prompt you to save your selection. Click Save and continue to move forward. Now here's an important part: payment details. Squarespace needs to know where to bill your subscription. Fill in the required fields with your billing information and credit card details. Rest assured, Squarespace uses secure encryption to protect your personal information. And there you have it. Once your payment details are filled in and submitted, you've successfully set your site's availability to the public. Your Squarespace site is now live and can be accessed by anyone on the internet. Publishing your Squarespace page doesn't have to be daunting. By following these steps, you've not only made your site visible, but also taken a significant stride in your digital presence. Congratulations! Remember, your Squarespace site is an evolving project. Feel free to go back, tweak, and update your content anytime to keep it fresh and engaging for your audience. I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, Squarespace offers comprehensive support through their Help Center. Happy publishing!